Hello, my name is Catherine Panaga, 41 years old with 3 kids, 1 boy and 2 girls. My oldest is 23 years old, the second is 21 years old, and the youngest is 18 years old. A year working experience as domestic helper, 8 years. My past work experience, I've been working Singapore, Jordan, and Hong Kong. My skills is cooking, marketing, housekeeping, take care the newborn baby. My personality is hardworking, loving child, loyalty, honesty. Can work with coworkers and prepared to work alone. I prefer job taking care the kids, newborn baby, and adult only. If you hired me, my dear future employer, I will promise I will do my best. Thank you, and check my profile helper library.